Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show how to grow my Twitter post. So this is my software that I use. So first, we have account management. This function we have to add and manage a limited Twitter account. So I can choose the account that I want and log in it. So the software will open the browser like this, and we'll do auto login. So to auto grow my post, so I go to viral marketing. So here you can see there's many options here. So I will choose upload post function. So example, I have the first account that I want to be the main account. So I will select to the post function. So I will select the post, the content support. Save. And I want my account to be the interaction account. So I will select interaction function. After, after that, I will set up the configuration. First, I will set up the number of threads. Number of threads means number of accounts running in the same time. Next, I will set up the real time between two actions. Next, you can enter the comment content in here. You can choose add hashtag and live post and repost, and you can choose a cycle. It means after done or you can choose a cycle. It means after the first process will wait the number of time you set up and will be starting again. After everything set up, I will restart and let the software do work. So basically, I just show you how to grow my Twitter post with my software. If you need me on more information, please contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail will be down below comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to channel.